Alright, I'm going to play a YouTube video. Hopefully an ad plays. So we have this video ad playing. It's in the YouTube short format. So maybe it's a song you liked, but you accidentally skipped it. Don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you how to find ads you've seen on YouTube. First, I'll close this video. Now, here's what you need to do. Go to your profile by clicking the profile icon at the bottom. Then, click on Settings in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Manage All History. Make sure you're on the same Google account where you watched the video. You can switch accounts by clicking on the profile icon above. When you scroll down, you'll see a list of videos you've watched recently. And here's the trick. Video ads appear as normal videos. They won't be labeled as ads. For example, the last video I watched was actually an ad. One way to identify them is by using the title. Most often, the title looks weird, like this one right here. You can also see the other videos I watched today, along with the ads that played before them. Now, if I click on the last one, the video plays. And as you can see, it's a YouTube short and the actual ad we saw previously. But keep this in mind. This only works for personal YouTube accounts. If you're using a brand account, the watch history will only show the videos you watched, not the ads. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.